my dream was to be famous, to be very honest. So मुझे famous होना था. He is making monthly 15-20,000, so much money he is making, and I think मुझे नहीं करना है. या तो कुछ काम करे या नाम हो जाए, या नाम ऐसा करे कि काम हो जाए. Don't talk any negative words about you ever. Always keep the positive words no matter what.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the Social Nation Show, the show where we get candid with your favorite content creators. With moves so sharp, a smile so infectious, a personality so charming, our guest for today is loved by many. He may be taking over the USA recently, but he took over our hearts long ago. If you haven't guessed it already, he is someone who recently set the Social Nation stage on fire. So bring your hands together and welcome the ace, dancer, choreographer, actor and content creator Adil Khan.
Thank you so much for such lovely intro. मुझे भी नहीं पता था इतना अच्छा intro. Wow.
Welcome to the Social Nation Show. How are you feeling? How's the energy?
Energy is good, energy is high. Totally Mumbai weather is lazy, but I'm trying to get back to the work now. So I'm going to be energetic for sure.
Great. So to start off, Adil, the boy from Chhatrapur, Delhi, to now touring the USA, how has it been? What a journey. So how's it going?
So journey has not been so easy as I am from Chhatarpur, and I think from my circle and from my family there is nobody who has gone to US. Not even people have visa of US. So it is itself a proud feeling for me, for my family. Although my family does not even have any idea how big it is to be in US and doing a tour in US and getting loved by a lot of NRIs, people say. So yeah, that's a good feeling.
But growing up, what were your biggest dreams? How did you fall in love with dancing?
So first, my dream was to be famous, to be very honest. So मुझे famous होना था, चाहे actor बन के हो जाओ, चाहे there is some another way. So I think I've achieved somewhere that, and I'm very happy. Of course, there's a lot to do it, and the love for dance, I think somewhere I would say started. I always loved dance, but I think I've realized that I really love dancing, and somebody really inspired me apart from me was Shahid Kapoor. When I had seen first time Ishq Vishk, and that time I totally fell in love with him and his dancing, and one of the reason that I joined Shamak Davar Dance Institute, because he was a part of that institute, and I was like, oh, he learned from there. Okay, I want to dance like him, and that's the reason I digged about Shamak, and I finally joined him.
So I think we have Shahid Kapoor to thank for having Adil here with us today also. And you've quite a few times mentioned in your previous interviews, you also now spoke about how your family did not know that it's a big deal. And in the beginning, you mentioned how your family has also had issues wherein they've doubted the viability of your career as a dancer. So how did you actually convince them and then at the end pursue your whole dream of dancing?
So of course, back in 2012, 2010 around, there was no, of course, much scope about dancing, and people were like, things were starting to it, Dance India Dance, ये सब आ रहा था, but still, they were like always about showing just only, background stories more than dancing reality shows. They were showing कि कितने गरीब हो, माँ को साड़ी लेके देनी है, घर लेके देना, that all the drama was going on. So of course, my mother was like कि बेटा ऐसे पैसे वैसे है नहीं, आप dance करते हो, just do some work or something. And my mom was behind me doing some AC का work. So there was one guy, legit.
What?
So there was one guy close to our house. He was a family friend, and he used to make quite a lot money, and he was a AC repair guy.
Okay.
So my mom was behind me, join him, assist him, and you'll make a lot of money. He's making monthly 15-20,000, so much money he's making, and I think मुझे नहीं करना है. And my mom was very legit. I think that time in 8th or 9th standard. So part-time when I'm free out of studies, part-time type. So I did join him. I did go.
You did?
Yeah, मैं उसके साथ में जाके AC मतलब some of the good bungalows and all, no, in those places used to go. So help करना, ये करना है, वो करना है, अच्छा AC में खराबी हो गया, gas चला गया and all that. So I did that for a month, and so I realized that one thing, that okay, the moment I cross 12th, I'm gonna be totally under pressure of my parents, my mother, that कि तुझे करना है so कि अभी टाइम है जो करना है. तो स्टडी के टाइम पे क्या होता है ना, there is not much parents force you. So on that time only I started digging that okay, I want to do something in dance, and by 10th I figured dancing. I started learning, and by 11th I was already making double than that person in dancing in 2010 or 11. So I think by then, if I was already getting a money at house, so my mom did not say much. She was like, ठीक है, अब पैसा आ ही रहा है तो क्या ही बोले.
But I think if you were still continuing that, I would surely call you and be like, यार AC repair करा दो.
Should I keep thinking about that? क्या क्या नहीं करा मैंने उस time पे.
अरे यार. But talking about that, your community, all of us know that you've trained in Shamak Dawat, of course. But there are very few who actually know that you've done TV ads, you've done songs. So what is the future for Adil Khan when it comes to acting? What is it that you've thought for yourself as an actor?
There's actually a lot. I'm like when I started also I didn't know this I'm gonna do it, and there's a lot more left to do it. It's just, I think I would say, beginning to it, and this year was mine to totally focus on acting, and I had again started with my workshops. Previously I did, of course, in Delhi I used to do theatre and all, and to resume again after dancing I did again started with my workshops and all, but suddenly I got to know my US visa got approved, and I was like, okay, let's just go to US first. So that I did, but again I'm back, and again I want to get back to acting, which looks right now difficult because I do have projects and screen tests to give, but again I might fly for the next tour.
No. But what kind of roles do you like doing when it comes to acting?
I think I would go more with the comedy, romantic.
Oh, romance, I'm sure.
Action ke liye time, I think I'll have to be more aged for that. So next 10 years. Right now, comedy and rom-com I would suggest.
Oh, I think we would love that. I would for sure love that. But recently, in the movies we've seen, do you think there's one role that you could have done that you would have loved doing?
Yeah, I did. Even I did tell the producer also for the Ishq Vish Rebound. I told him, you did a mistake, you should have taken me. That was something I wanted to do it.
I think personally also for you, since you loved Ishq Vish.
Yeah, I always loved that movie, and I was just always in that dream, like shit, I'll someday if remake happens, I will be for a part of it or something. And I'm like, क्यों नहीं लिया मुझे? It's like, shit, you never told me before, it's all out, I would have made you part of it, something or the other. I was like, कोई नहीं, but that was your mistake, shit.
Damn.
So
I
that was a role I really, just because it was nothing to do with the Ishq Vish one, but it was a rebound. I was like, I would do some justification what Shahid did. That's why.
I think as a dancer also, it would have been so amazing to see you in all those songs.
Yeah, definitely.
I just keep imagining it now.
Me too.
So talking about your dance videos, your first moment to virality was when you danced to Guru Randhawa's Tenu Sutu Sutu Karda.
Yeah.
And that was way back in 2017.
17, yes.
So can you take us back to that time of how it happened, what was the behind the scenes, and how did it change, like after the virality? How did life work change?
At that time, I was I'd moved to Mumbai in 2015, and for 2 years, because जब आप मुंबई आते हो आपको कुछ करना होता है, right?
Of course.
And it was a temporary thing which I knew. So temporarily I was teaching Zumba, and I was a Zumba fitness trainer at that time, and I was roaming around entire Mumbai, from Mumbai Central to Thane to where all not, Bandra. I was taking classes morning 6 to night, and in between I was giving my auditions. And one day suddenly I think this happened, and so actually somewhere it started with One Digital.
Yes.
My journey started with One Digital, I would suggest, because Padma was a part of One Digital at that time.
Okay.
Padmavati Iyengar, she's a friend of mine. She was a Zumba trainer at that time, and at that time she used to make videos for her YouTube channel for Zumba. And at that time she asked me कि आदिल तू भी करेगा कुछ, and I was not on social media at all. And उस time पे ही she convinced me like ठीक है, and then she was like कि okay तू भी क्यों नहीं बनाता है करके. So I was like okay, I also did. So I also did one Zumba का closer song था, उसका थोड़ा सा एक ऐसे time pass video उसके साथ मैंने बना के डाल दिया, and from zero subscriber, it suddenly became 3,000 in 2017. So I don't know how. And I got a lot of appreciation from, I think, US, because there was an English song and Zumba community, Miami and all that way. And Tabi, I think she suggested me that, like, okay, I was getting a lot of appreciation, and I think artists look for appreciation. आपको appreciation मिलता है that you would want to do. It's like कि ठीक है यार, इतने दिन से ऑडिशन दे रहा हूँ, कहीं पर इज्जत नहीं मिल रही है, यहाँ पर इतनी ज़्यादा इज्जत मिल रही है, तो क्यों नहीं जहाँ पर इज्जत मिल रही है वहाँ करें. So then I had a word with her कि okay, how are you shooting and all that, you know. Then she told me about One Digital and all.
Oh, wow.
So then that time I met Sudeep and we had a chat, and that time I joined One Digital and started sort of my thing with them. And then this Suit Karda and all this happened.
That's amazing. It's so nice to know that we were a part of your journey and that's how it
Actually,
started.
the start of it. And we're still here, by the way.
Yes, we are still together, of course.
Still together.
Now your growth from then to a dancer to now a creator with over 2 million followers, now it's very inspiring. So what do you think has worked out for you as a creator? Because the dance industry is very, very competitive. So what do you think has worked out for Adil Khan?
I think I would say that from the beginning, marketing myself right, letting people know that why, you know, I should be a part of certain video or certain things, that as an artist you have to make them believe you're the product, right? You have
Of
to sell
course.
yourself. So you have to have that thing in you that you can sell it out, and you can tell people, okay, you know, this is the reason I should be a part of your video, or you should be a part of my video. So I think convincing power hona chahiye. And even in the beginning when I reached out to the creators and I reached out to who not, like at that time I randomly messaged from creator to actresses to anybody. I won't take name, but I did DM to almost more than 100 people.
Oh my God.
Men, girls, anybody. And surprisingly, people are supportive, and out of them, 5 must have got back to me, and I did videos with them, and then that somewhere, you know, started working out. So I just took a shot, and I love to take a shot always. So just randomly, kahin bhi. And when I say randomly, you have no idea where all. Just randomly. And even I was surprised that कि okay, मुझे यहाँ से revert आ गया, मैंने तो ऐसे ही डाल दिया था, ये भी हो गया. So that way I think always worked out. So since then I just keep taking shot. Let's just take a shot. So I do that.
But this is very interesting. Can you tell us at least one DM reward that you got? एक person का एक DM.
यार ऐसे अच्छा नहीं लगता. नहीं, of course there were people who supported, who were there. I think in the beginning, initially when I would say Nagma was doing very good.
Okay.
Nagma was already big on TikTok was Musically already.
Yeah.
And then I asked her to do a video, and she was very enthused to do it. So she definitely came on board, and we did a video. And like that, I did a few more people. So that way, it definitely worked out for me.
That's amazing. So talking about content creation, there's a lot of things that creators do. One of it being brand collaborations. So for you as a creator, what do you think a brand and a creator relationship should be? And do you have like top 3 criterias which you are sure that you will not negotiate with?
Yeah, for brands, I'm glad you asked this question. I want to tell this to brands, and I hope brands are watching. I do hope. They should know. There are 3 things definitely are in my mind. First, when of course you go to some creator, just let them be real. You know, just don't make them fake. उनसे वो मत कराओ जिससे उनका relatability है ही नहीं. You know, what they stand for, what kind of a creator, what their genre is. So keep it real, basically, I would say, not fake. A. B. Give them creativity freedom. मतलब अगर आप किसी ब्रांड ने आपसे कनेक्ट किया है बिकॉज दे लव योर वर्क, राइट, एंड दे लव माई वर्क बिकॉज आई डू इट फ्रीली.
True.
नाउ यू हैव कम टू मी एंड यू हैव गिवन मी सो मच बाउंडेशन कि ये भी ओके, यू वांट टू कीप योर ब्रांड, यू वांट टू आई वुड गिव अ ग्रेट एग्जांपल राइट नाउ. मैं ये बोलूँगा ना, ये सोशल नेशन का कप ले लो, कोई नहीं लेगा बिकॉज आप बोल रहे हो. एंड समहाउ आई थिंक ह्यूमन मेंटालिटी वर्क्स, बट जस्ट आई एम रैंडमली हैविंग अ सिप और लाइक अरे वो सोशल नेशन कप में, बट मैंने बोला भी नहीं है कुछ, राइट. सो पीपल माइट वांट टू सी दिस सेम वे. एन एग्जांपल, आई थिंक this was I feel a brand campaign. I won't take the brand name, but recently you must have seen Shah Rukh Khan's one video went viral from New York. He was in some showroom and he was buying shoes, right? He did not say anything. It went viral everywhere that he's in this showroom and he was shopping for the shoes. He did not say anything. He just walked in, and very smartly when he walked in, the shot was taken and there was a logo बराबर से visible.
Correct.
He didn't say anything, but we were like, अरे यार, he's buying. उसने कुछ बोला नहीं, जूते ले लो and all that. You know, very smartly. So I feel in some agencies are very smart PR people are there to just make it happening without even saying. तो वो बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है, ले लो, लेट द क्रिएटर बी इन टू दैट स्पेस एंड उनको करने दो उनका काम, बिकॉज आपको ब्रांड प्रमोट कराना है, वो कर देंगे एंड वो नाइसली करेंगे ऑफकोर्स. सो सेकेंड इज दिस, एंड थर्ड, डोंट मेक एन एड बिकॉज ब्रांड्स की आदत क्या होती है ना, आप ऐड बनवाते हो, बोलते हो नहीं ऐड डाल दो, फिर उसके बाद में हम लोग ऐड जैसा बना दो, हम लोग पैसे डाल देंगे पीछे से और उसको प्रमोट कर देंगे. क्या फ़ायदा उसका, आपने प्रमोट करके 5 मिलियन 10 मिलियन 20 मिलियन व्यूज़ डाल दिए, बट वो व्यूज़ आए हैं. इससे बेटर है कि आप उस पर ऐड ना डालो, उसको इतना ऑर्गेनिक रखो कि नेचुरली, चाहे वो उस पर 5 लाख व्यूज़ आए, लेकिन वो 5 लाख इतने ऑथेंटिक है कि वो 5 लाख बाय करने वाले, बिकॉज वो 20 मिलियन बाय नहीं करने वाले, आपने ज़बरदस्ती इनको पहुंचा दिया है. सो दैट दिस इज व्हाट आई फील शुड बी.
That's amazing. But do you have any products that you're sure you will never promote as Adil?
I did have, so technically I would not promote any sexual stuff because my audience is more of the
Younger
kids.
audience.
Yeah, younger audience, so I don't want to, showcase that much. So till now they are young. Once I also turn a little old and I know my audience is a little old and 18 plus, then I might, but as of now my statement is no.
Perfect. So now we dive deep into our game segment. It's
Yeah.
called Down the Memory Lane Dance Edition. So here what we do is I will just show you a few videos and you have to tell us what was the behind the scenes, what was the memories associated with this video,
Okay.
and how it shaped your career.
Okay,
ठीक है? We will start with that.
let's just go.
Okay, this is the first one.
Oh.
What was this? Tell us.
So this was for India's Got Talent. So it was a all setup basically. I think in 2017-16, it was a kind of a peak of fitness, Zumba and dancing fitness party and all that. So at that time, यार pay is good also and थोड़ा सा footage मिल रहा है. घर पे हो जाएगा, अरे टीवी पे आ गया लड़का. उतना टिपिकली अरे टीवी पे दिख गया टाइप. So I think जिम में ही there was a casting director, तो उसने बोला यार ऐसे करके एक ad है and would you like to do, your body is very good and all that. And at that time I did this ad with the great Khaled. So technically Suit Karda was my first dance workshop, which was my I would say investment workshop with my own clients, with my own students, to just create that video, to create a buzz that dance workshop, something like this is happening.
Alright.
Yeah, nobody knew that it's a free or something, but internally we did that.
अच्छा.
जब हम लोग परफॉर्म कर रहे थे तब बारिश हो गया था, तो बारिश करते हुए ना ये वीडियो अगर आप देखोगे, जब हम किक विक कर रहे हैं ना, पानी उड़ रहा है, तो नेचुरली क्या इफेक्ट बना था ना, वो वीडियो उस टाइम पे इतना चला था दैट इट वाज अगेन अमेजिंग. I didn't even know that it was not planned. My act was not supposed to be finale, but it became finale. There was a lot of patake foot rahe hain, full
was
rockets and all
beautiful.
happening. Like, oh, I'm like, wow, this is. I am getting the video now. So that is the story behind this. It was again a full crazy, but in the end, it was all worth and all fun.
I think your performance was one of the ones that I saw as an audience because I really wanted to see it, and I should tell you it was amazing. It was beautiful.
Thank you so much. I think the song won everyone's heart was Kaho Na Pyar
Hey, I
Hai.
saw all of them dancing. It was
Everybody
a
did.
great vibe.
And
for sure.
I knew that song will
Connect.
definitely connect with everybody love, and that's a stage song, so I just wanted that song. But
I'm just
yeah.
glad. Basic festival things, but I'm glad we saw
Yeah,
you
I know,
perform.
it was fun.
But you've started now recently this page called I Am Badtameez Dil.
Yeah.
What is the story behind this? Why another page? What are we seeing on this page?
So what happened that I was like I post dance content, that is my main prime content, right?
Of course.
But क्या होता है ना, I felt that giving just only one, like आप एक ही चैनल तो नहीं देख सकते ना लाइफ टाइम, आप बोर होने लगते हो यार, अभी मैं कितना गाने देखूं, ठीक है मुझे कुछ और देखना है, जस्ट वॉच कपिल शर्मा और समथिंग, यू वांट टू स्विच। तो मैं अपने ही पेज पे, चाहे वो यूट्यूब का हो चाहे वो इंस्टा का हो, उस पर मैं कॉमेडी भी डालने लग गया फॉर अ टाइम, देन मैं ट्रैवल डालने लग गया। तो मैं उसमें ना ब्रेक देता था, बिकॉज मेरी भी क्रिएटिविटी स्पेस को थोड़ा सा टाइम मिले, होता है ना दैट यू गिव अ ब्रेक, तो क्रिएटिव माइंड स्पेस वापस से बेटर हो जाता है। बट देन आई रियलाइज दैट ओवर द टाइम पीरियड दैट कि ऑडियंस भी डिस्टर्ब हो रहा है, कि कुछ ऑडियंस ऐसा है जिसको सिर्फ डांस देखना है, कुछ ऑडियंस ऐसा हो गया जिसको सिर्फ कॉमेडी पसंद है। तो आई रियलाइज दैट लेट्स जस्ट नॉट मिक्स एंड मैच। एंड फिर मेरी डांस की ऑडियंस इतनी नीश है ना, इतनी आई वुड से इतनी पढ़ी लिखी टाइप्स है, इतनी शरीफ एंड सिंपल है, दैट कॉमेडी वाली एक जो बदतमीजी जिसको पसंद है ना, वो अलग ही ऑडियंस है, जिसको कुछ भी बकवास मस्ती वो अलग है। हाँ, दे लव एवरीथिंग, वो अलग है। सो आई कांट मिक्स मैच, बिकॉज मैं कभी कभार कुछ ऐसी वीडियो डाल के कुछ बोल देता हूँ ना, तो ये वाले लोगों को शायद से पसंद नहीं आता ना। आई फेल्ट इट इन डीएम्स एंड कमेंट सेक्शन। सो लाइक इट्स टाइम फॉर मी टू सेपरेट दैट आउट एंड जस्ट क्रिएट सम बदतमीजी अलग से एंड नॉट हियर। सो माई वन पर्सनैलिटी विच इज़ वेरी gentleman and decent guy and all that will be remain on my main page, and the another personality which is like a typically different me बदतमीज जो करेगा will be little बदतमीज for sure, can be little extra also, will be on my another page of
तो ड्रामा होगा इस
full drama. So yeah, the content is still being made, but it was first fight कि क्या नाम किया जाए क्या नाम नहीं किया जाए। तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा डिग किया। कुछ ऐसा नाम करना था कि जिसमें मेरा नाम ना हो, यूज़र नेम लेना था, आदिल नहीं चाहिए था बट दिल होना चाहिए। एंड देन ऐसा कुछ कि हम सोच रहे थे क्या ऐसा, या तो कुछ काम करे या नाम हो जाए, या नाम ऐसा करे कि काम हो जाए। तो हमने बहुत डिग किया, असली आलसी पता नहीं क्या क्या हम सोचा हमने। एंड देन फाइनली कि ओके दिस साउंड समवेयर डिसेंट रिलेटेड, बदतमीजी भी है, थोड़ा नाम भी है, दिल से बदतमीज, बदतमीज दिल से, आई एम बदतमीज दिल, एंड फाइनली भी लगे आई एम बदतमीज दिल करके वी फाइनलाइज एंड वी टुक दिस वन।
Perfect. So for all the Badtamizi guys, for seeing another side of Adil, follow I am Badtamiz Dil.
क्योंकि बदतमीज दिल माने ना।
Okay, perfect. Now you've also recently done your USA tour,
Yeah.
which is amazing. I'm super proud of you, super happy for you. Tell us one experience from the tour that you were not prepared for. तुम्हें लगा ही नहीं था कि ये होगा, लेकिन हो गया and you were not prepared.
So I'll tell you, USA was again a shot. As I just mentioned, I love to take a shot. एंड ये कोई ऐसा छोटा मोटा शॉट नहीं था, ये
बहुत बड़ा है ऑफ कोर्स।
15-20 लाख का शॉट था। 40 दिन इन USA, 40 days, it's freaking expensive. Like just to take a cab for one side, just to Andheri Bandra return was costing me $150 to $200 in New York. That is like almost 16 to 20,000. So back in 2017, I had got offered to do a workshop in USA when recently my videos got viral in 2017. So in end, I already got an offer from US and my tickets was booked. Everything was booked. Hotel, tickets, कहाँ पे मेरा workshop होना है, कहाँ मुझे perform करना है, live performance, everything वो सब sorted था. And then because at that time I was very new, I was young, I did not even have any ITR and all that. कुछ भी नहीं था because सब चालू हुआ था right at that time. एंड सब कुछ सामने से बुक हो गया, सामने से कंपनी ने सब कुछ कर दिया कि अप्लाई फॉर द वीज़ा। एंड आई वाज वेरी एक्साइटेड दैट आई वाज लिविंग इन अ ड्रीम कि अरे मेरे को तो वीज़ा मिल ही जाएगा एंड ऑल दैट ये वो। एंड आई डिडंट नो दैट इट्स अ बिग शिट ऑफ US वीज़ा। एंड आई प्रिपेयर्ड, आई वाज लिविंग सो हैप्पी एट दैट टाइम एंड आई वेंट फॉर द इंटरव्यू। I'm standing in the queue for almost like in an hour and nervous, excited कि नहीं positive रहते हैं, मिल जाएगा। जिसने भेजा है वही बोल रहा है नहीं don't worry, just give it all based on interview, आपको हो जाएगा and all that ये वो। And I'm waiting, line बढ़ रहा है and all that, and वहाँ से now I can see, now I've entered and I can see the window and I can see people getting rejected, people crying, people begging. I can see they are just namaste, sorry you can't go, वो बस ऐसे कर रहे हैं। Kids are crying, students are crying, and I can see people who second and third time, people have attempted last time and they got rejected and वो फूट के रो रहे हैं और मेरी फट गई है लाइक कि क्या करूँ क्या नहीं करूँ, शिट मेरे को पसीने आ रहे हैं। लेकिन अब नर्वसनेस ज़्यादा हो गया ना बिकॉज नाउ यू आर टू क्लोज टू इट। हाँ, एंड मैं काउंटर पे पहुँचा एंड दे आस्क्ड मी कि व्हाई यू गोइंग टू US एंड ऑल दैट। मैंने बताया उनको and they asked for my letter and everything. I had letter and everything from company ये वो, and they're like कि sorry you're not eligible for it. और मेरे जो आंसू निकले.
Oh no, you were one of them crying then now.
I did not cry, of course, loudly, but internally जो मेरा दिल टूटा, मैं घर आके बहुत रोया.
Oh no.
Because commercially also it was a big loss, and at that time when I had started, it was a lot money for me, a lot more money. So it was a big loss for me, and I quite was upset for a week and really felt bad. So it was in my head that okay, अब तो जिद सा हो गया था कि अब तो जाना है. मना कैसे करा, अब तो मैं जाऊंगा, मैं जरूर
तो
जाऊंगा.
2017 से अब हुआ 2024 में.
But again, people told me there are only 3 attempts you get. So before attempting for the second time, I wanted to make sure my profile is that strong that there is no reason to say no. Because they never give you a reason कि क्या reason से मना किया, क्या पेपर वाइज था या क्या था. बिकॉज पेपर सब कंप्लीट थे, सब कुछ ठीक था, तो क्या ये मेरा सरनेम था जो नहीं सूट किया आप लोगों को. माय नेम इज खान.
Oh god.
उस टाइम पे काफ़ी था. सो आई डिड नो व्हाट वाज द रीज़न. सो इट टुक मी ऑलमोस्ट लाइक या हाउ मेनी ईयर्स, 2017 टू ऑलमोस्ट 7 ईयर्स.
हाँ, 7.
सो आफ्टर 7 लाइक बोलते हैं ना 7 साल में शनि जाता है.
Ouch. Okay.
तो
चला
मेरा
गया
शनि
शनि.
गया. या 2024 आया एंड फाइनली अगेन ये भी प्लान नहीं था कि मैं यूएस करने वाला हूँ. ऐसा कुछ नहीं मेरे दिमाग में था. मैं करूँगा, मैं फॉर श्योर करूँगा, मैं जाऊँगा एक दिन, मैं जाऊँगा फॉर श्योर जाऊँगा. एंड ऐसा भी नहीं था कि मैंने अब तैयारी कर ली है, अब मैं अप्लाई कर रहा हूँ, अब मैं रेडी हूँ. मेरे दिमाग से निकल भी गया था, बट था कि आई विल गो फॉर श्योर वन डे. एंड नाउ दिस वॉज द रीज़न दिस टाइम, बिकॉज not for the workshop, but I became a such great fan of Friends. Then उसके बाद में I got addicted to The Big Bang Theory. Then I got addicted to How I Met Your Mother. So these shows I was watching. So New York, LA, these places, and even Miami, I got fan by seeing Fast and Furious and all. So I was so much into that. Oh, I want to visit this place. I want to see this place. So just to see this place, I wanted to go there. And one day I was just in my boxing class, and my instructor was talking to somebody that ऐसे ऐसे करके यूएस का वीज़ा इसका लग गया. ना अरे कैसे लग गया, क्या हुआ. एंड दैट्स एन इंटरनल डिस्कशन आई कांट डू हियर. सो आई गॉट एन एज देयर. आई थिंक सम brownie points of me being famous and
You
people
got it.
being my fans from Embassy.
Oh god.
So those brownie points I got, and
Fans
yeah.
ने ही मदद की last में to get
yeah,
the
I was
visa.
pre-approved
Yes.
without even like yes.
Oh god.
So yeah, that happened to me, and जैसे ही लगा I was like, let's just take a shot. So then US happened, and like अब जा रहे हैं तो workshop कर लेते हैं. I had no idea कोई आएगा नहीं आएगा, कितने आप फेमस हो कितने नहीं हो. वैसे कि 2017 में कितने मैसेज आते थे, अभी इतनी रीच है नहीं है. सोशल मीडिया ऑल्सो सच डिलेमा कि कभी बहुत अच्छी रीच है, कभी नहीं है, कभी डेड है, सो यू डोंट नो. एंड आई वाज नॉट श्योर, सो लाइक कि ठीक है चलो लेट्स जस्ट डू द टूर. एंड वी डिड इट, वी अनाउंस्ड, एंड आई डिड नो, बट माई almost all classes in almost 16 cities almost were sold out.
That's amazing. Super
So,
proud of you.
so that happened, and that felt really good. So this was one of the
Things you were not ready for.
not ready for, not expecting, and not expecting that they'll still call me, and they're calling me back again. So I might be going again.
We hope we manifest that for you as well today. And with this whole conversation, we see how philosophical you are. You've given me philosophies that I follow every day. So Adil, you've also spoken about how in the beginning you started off dance. You had a few financial issues and then dance helped you. So what is the one advice you would give to young artists who are looking to make it in the entertainment industry now? Just one advice.
First of all, I would say the very, very first thing you have to feel, and you have to believe in yourself, and you have to make believe people and in universe that you have to be confident. You have to believe that you can do it. There is nothing impossible. ऐसा नहीं कि मैंने बहुत कुछ कर लिया है, but this is my belief. Even from 0 to, if मैं अगर 1 पे भी आया हूँ, this is my belief that कि nothing is impossible. With that belief you have to do it. Whether it's possible or no, we'll see later. But वो एक positive attitude, positive energy जब जाता है ना, and when you give that signal to maybe universe definitely helps you. And this is what I definitely feel. It might sound naive, but I definitely believe in universal energy, and when you speak it out loud and you talk to universe and you tell the universe, you know, that I really want to do this and I know I can do it, I know I'm capable of doing it, and definitely universe helps you. And how, if you believe it from your heart, you will see the magic. I've seen it and I've been like, ये कैसे हो गया, ये कैसे हो गया, मुझे तो पता भी नहीं था, shit, ये कैसे हो रहा है. And then you realize that there's some power is there who's helping you out. So the belief is something you have to, and you definitely have to do it before starting any work. Simple.
I think so. The advice is to believe in yourself, stay confident, put it out there, and it will happen.
Don't talk any negative words about you
this.
ever. Always keep the positive words no matter what.
So to end this, on our last question is, your workshops are called Adil Se Naach,
Yeah.
which we think is also your philosophy in life. So what is the one value that you stand by, Adil, that you want to pass on to your fans and audience as well? Just one value that defines you.
I would say that don't take life so seriously. लोग टाइम बचाने की कोशिश करते हैं बट टेक्निकली खर्च हो ही रहे, राइट? सो इस लाइफ में आप लोग, आई थिंक हमें पर्टिकुलर टाइम के लिए ही टाइम मिला है, यू नो, दिस लाइफ इज़ गिवन फॉर पर्टिकुलर टाइम. सो इतना ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस लेके, इतना ज़्यादा सोच के कि क्या कैसे क्या नहीं, और इतनी ज़्यादा मेहनत करके गाड़ी लेना है, घर लेना है, ये करना है, ये सब कुछ मिल जाएगा, सब कुछ मिलेगा, बट मोर देन दैट इन्जॉय करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. बिकॉज इन नेक्स्ट 100 years you will not be here, I will not be here, nobody will be here, there will be someone else will be living in your house, your place, and उनको याद भी नहीं होगा जिसके लिए आपने ये रेडी करा है. आपके बच्चों को याद भी नहीं रहेगा कि यू नो आपने ये सब किया था. तो क्यों इतनी भाग दौड़ करनी, करो, लेकिन क्यों इतना ज़्यादा सोचना. हुआ तो अच्छी बात है, नहीं हुआ तो मूव ऑन एंड जस्ट थिंक कि ठीक है यार, पर्टिकुलर अभी मेरे पास 30 साल और बचे हैं, तो 30 साल लिमिटेड टाइम है, तो उसको जियो. इंस्टेड ऑफ सर्वाइविंग, स्टार्ट लिविंग. सो दिस इज व्हाट आई बिलीव. वॉट एवर आई हैव नेवर सर्वाइव्ड, इवन व्हेन आई हैड नथिंग. व्हेन I have something, and I will have more things, I know, in my more prime time for sure, but I've always lived, never survived. मेरी चादर इतनी थी, आई मेड श्योर उसको मैं बड़ी करता जाऊँ और बड़ी करता जाऊँ. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट आई बिलीव. मैंने कभी मम्मी की सुनी नहीं कि नहीं बेटा चादर छोटी है, छोटे पैर फैलाओ. नहीं मम्मी, बड़ी चादर क्यों नहीं खरीद सकते हम लोग. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई बिलीव.
That's amazing. Talking about enjoying, I have enjoyed this conversation thoroughly. I think we've gone through memories, we've gone through your memory with us at One Digital.
बहुत सीरियस भी हो गए बीच में.
But I think it's been fun, it's been serious, it was the perfect match, the perfect balance. So thank you, Adil. It was great having you here with us today.
Thank you so much for making me remind a lot of memories of mine, and thank you so much for such great interview. You've done such great homework, and
of course.
Yeah, I feel nice after talking about all it.
Me too. So make sure all of you all tune in to our next episode on the Social Nation Show, where we have another candid conversation with your favorite content creator. See you all soon. Bye.
Bye-bye.
As smart creators, your influence can shape society. Join the ASCII Responsible Influencer course today and earn your certificate. Learn from the experts and become a trusted name in the world of influencing. Use our coupon code SOCIALSTAR24 to enroll now.